and welcome to another demo of the Views Vanilla Suite. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Views Vanilla Suite, and today we're going to demo the tabs. The, this module was originally also in paragraph bundles, but now as a views. So the tabs is something like this. This is the demo site. Something like that, either vertical or horizontal. That's the tab. So let's go create one of these, activate the module, vanilla, and we need this one. And when you enable this module, you should have a demo here, a view demo. Well, let's add a new one, and the tabs don't work with the view mode, so you have to do row style fields, and we're gonna add this one, content type articles, create a page. Here, yeah, you need titles, and you could select here also. And once that's what it is, so we need to add some text and leave it as is. And I believe that's it. You could see it out of the box. So let's do this as out of the box. This is the tabs, and if we go here, you have scroll tabs, or now we're gonna go inside the options, wrap tabs. If you check this one, it should instead of making it scroll, they would be wrapped in the same. So there it is. Let's scroll, and there is the tabs. It's the same concept as, let's close this one, as these ones. Those are horizontal, verticals. And let's go to the options, more options. So what we have here, this is the animation, slide from top, bottom, zoom, right, and the max width. So let's go first, the position. Here, what is the position? That's the position for the buttons. So here, those are the buttons. This is the position. Get top, bottom, right, left. So let's change it to bottom and apply. And this is also the background for the button and the pane. So here, switch, here it is. That's now you have two background colors applied to each one. And let's go here more. Here's to the background. If you want to disable the background, so max height, max width, these. So if you apply max width, let's talk about these, because max width in vertical different than horizontal. Vertical, I mean like this, vertical. So when you say max width, you're really saying max width for this container to be 300 pixel. That's when you say max width in vertical. But when you say max width and you have horizontal, you're saying max width to each button here. So that's one thing different. You have to know the difference between vertical, max width, and horizontal. You're really making the button here. Like what I see here, I have max width set to 300. We could change it to 150, and you will see what's happening now. Whereas, see, that's the max width for the horizontal. But if we go and we change it now, it's bottom or top. So let's say right. And if we change right, and if we refresh this one, now it's here. See, that's the max width for this container, not this container. This container get whatever left over. So here, if we go again, let's make it 300. And let's go again here, max height. Max height, it doesn't work with the verticals. So if you have verticals here, I'm not making any max height. I'm not controlling any max height. I'm controlling the max height for this one. Like here, you see we have like about 10 element or something, and it's this white space, and it's not really nice design. So what I do, let's do it here, 300, and max height, let's do 400 pixel, not 4000, and the breakpoint 992, and apply and save. So now if I refresh the page, now you see what I mean. That's the max height for this container, not this container also. I'm not making this container, controlling the height. So you see here, here it is, and I believe you have that's the animation. Slide from the top, bottom, or zoom, or fade, and the position. This is some custom CSS. If you don't like it, you could disable it. And I just left the mandatory. So that's how you make tabs. But I want to show you how you make even slideshow out of tabs. So if I go here and I click image and add, and usually slideshow either an image or image and title or something like that. So the first one, I'm going to use a thumb. So, and yes, there is no link, and rearrange. I'm gonna make this one. I'm removing this one, apply, and add another, the same field I added, this one, image, and this time I could add whatever style or anything you want. Let's do this one, white. You could do a clickable if you want also. So that's the one, and I can show you here what's happening now. So if we go, we need to expand the height a little bit. Let's do it 600 and apply, save, and there is, this is see, you could use it as a slideshow, you could use it as features on the home page, or a product or something. Like here, for example, I'm using 6, but we can use it, manipulate it. So if you go here and you really leave 3 items, and that's it as a features on the home page. And you saw what's happening now. So now you could play with the position. Let's do left. So if you go to left, there it is. And you could expand this, the CSS for 100%, or go even create a specific thumb size for this image to cover that space. But actually I make it 300. So here if we could actually even fix it like this, because what is that? That's 220. So if I go here and do the width 240, that should fix the space. Yeah, there is. But if you want also something like a bigger uh, image, I think this one doesn't get, yeah, it is. That's the idea. And also same thing, you can control is to bottom. And when you do bottom, you could do like 16. So you see, and now they're gonna look like this. So now you're gonna go activate or deactivate this one and apply, because you don't want the thumb to be in the row, and it should be scrollable like this, and save, and boom, there is another slideshow created by tabs. uh, This is pretty much what tabs can do. So you could have this kind of tabs, text or something, or even slideshow of tabs. I hope you liked the demo. See you in the next one.